Most people chase deals, hoping to find the right business opportunity, partnership, or investment, but the smartest people, they use AI to bring high-value deals to them automatically. The best opportunities don't go to the people who hustle the hardest, they go to the ones who structure AI-driven systems that attract the right deals, filter the noise, and close the best opportunities before anyone else even knows they exist. In this video, I'm going to show you how to build an AI deal machine, a system that finds, evaluates, and even negotiates high-value deals for you, so you can focus on making the right moves while AI does the heavy lifting. If you want to stop chasing opportunities and start making AI bring them to you, keep watching. Let's get into it. Section 1. Why AI-driven deal making is the future of business and investing. The biggest deals don't go to the people who work the hardest. They go to the ones who get access to the right deals first, and AI gives you that access. AI is already being used by hedge funds, venture capitalists, and billion-dollar corporations to analyze markets, predict trends, and lock in deals faster than any human team ever could. Now, that same technology is available to you, allowing you to automate everything from business acquisitions to real estate deals, partnerships, and even investment plays. Here's 3 ways AI gives you an unfair deal-making advantage. AI-driven opportunity scouting. AI will find hidden, high-value deals before the public knows about them. AI-powered negotiation. Analyze deal terms, competitive pricing, and risk factors instantly. And AI-automated outreach and closing, where AI handles introductions, messaging, and follow-ups so you don't have to. The game isn't about chasing deals. It's about building an AI system that attracts and secures them automatically. The key question is, are you spending time looking for deals? Or are you building an AI-powered machine that finds them for you? Now let's break down exactly how to build your own AI deal machine. Section 2, the AI Deal Machine Blueprint, Step-by-Step Guide. If you want AI to bring you deals automatically, you need a system that continuously searches, evaluates, and executes without you manually doing the work. So step 1 is use AI to discover hidden high-value deals. The best opportunities aren't found on Google or LinkedIn. They're found before they become public. AI allows you to analyze millions of data points instantly to uncover deals no one else sees. Here's how to do this. Use AI-powered deal scrapers to scan databases, marketplaces, and private listings. Use AI-driven business and real estate analysis to identify undervalued assets and business buyouts. And use AI-optimized trend prediction to tell you which industries, stocks, or companies are about to explode. There's already AI-powered investors who never manually look for real estate or business buyouts. AI constantly scans deals and delivers only the most profitable opportunities. So here's a key tip. Instead of searching for deals, let AI constantly track and bring the best ones to you. Step 2, use AI to analyze and evaluate deals instantly. Finding deals is easy, but knowing which ones to act on is where AI gives you an unfair advantage. Here's how to do this. Use AI-powered deal analysis to break down risks, potential profits, and market fit instantly. Use AI-driven risk assessment to compare historical data and competitor moves to predict outcomes. And use AI-optimized ROI calculations to run financial projections to determine if a deal is worth it. Just as an example, AI-driven hedge funds don't guess when making trades. They use AI to predict which investments will return 10x gains before making a move. You can do the same with business, real estate, or startup acquisitions. Here's another key tip. AI removes emotion from deal making, ensuring that you only act on the best, most strategic opportunities. Step 3, automate deal outreach, negotiation, and closing. Most deals don't happen because people don't follow up. AI allows you to handle all communication, relationship building, and negotiation, so you never lose a deal due to slow execution. Here's how to do this. Use AI-powered outreach to find and contact potential partners, investors, and sellers. Use AI-driven follow-ups to automate deal progress and keep connections warm. And use AI-assisted contract review and closing to ensure that the deal terms are optimal before you sign. There's AI-powered venture capitalists right now who don't manually negotiate deals. AI handles research, outreach, and deal structuring while they focus on making the final call. Here's another gem. The faster you execute, the more deals you win. AI ensures that you never miss an opportunity due to human delays. Step 4, scale your AI deal machine for continuous growth. The final step is making sure AI isn't just bringing you deals once, but continuously refining and expanding your pipeline of business, investment, and high-value opportunities. Here's how to do this. Use AI-powered deal expansion to suggest new industries and verticals for future deals. Create an AI-optimized partner and investor network where AI ensures that you always have the right connections for each deal. And use AI-driven scaling and automation to track market shifts and ensure that your deal machine evolves. There's AI-powered business flippers who use AI to find, buy, and scale companies and then sell them at massive profits without ever manually running operations. The truth is, a good deal maker closes deals. A great one structures AI systems that never stop bringing deals in. Final section. AI is already making deals. The only question is, are you? Most people wait for opportunities. The smartest people build AI systems that deliver them continuously. If you're serious about using AI to automate deal making, investing, and business scaling, I break it all down in the Digital Garden. And if you want to go deeper, learning how to apply AI for power moves, leverage, and long-term wealth, read The Art of Power. These 2 books together are your ultimate business playbook. Click the links in the description, grab a copy, and start building your AI deal machine today. And if you want even more high-level AI business and influence strategies, hit subscribe, because in the next video, we'll show you how to create an AI-powered acquisition strategy that lets you buy and flip businesses automatically. AI is already making deals. The only question is, are you using it, or are you getting left behind? I'll see you in the next video.